Most people don't want to escape work. They just want freedom. Freedom to choose their schedule, freedom to build something of their own, and freedom to stop living paycheck to paycheck. And the truth is, you don't need to quit your job to start that journey. Today, you're about to learn a simple, realistic side hustle strategy that thousands of everyday Americans use to create extra income. Not overnight, not instantly, but gradually and sustainably. Before we begin, there's something important to understand. A side hustle isn't a magical shortcut, and it's not a promise of financial success. It's a skill-building path. It's a mindset shift. It's the moment you stop relying on one single paycheck and start building options for your future. In a world where prices rise, job security changes, and life moves fast, creating one extra stream can give you stability, confidence, and control. The strategy starts with something simple: identifying a skill you already have. Not a talent, not perfection, just something you can do better than the average person. Maybe it's organizing, writing, editing, cleaning, designing, tutoring, or helping small businesses with digital tasks. Most people underestimate themselves, but your ordinary skill is extraordinary to someone who needs it. Then comes step two: packaging that skill. Not with fancy branding, not with complicated websites, just a clear, simple offer. Here is what I do. Here is how I can help. Here is the result you will receive. When your message is simple, people say yes faster. Step three is the part most beginners skip: building consistency in tiny, non-stressful increments. 10 minutes a day, a single listing on a freelance platform, one piece of content a week that demonstrates your skill. No pressure, no burnout, just steady planting. Over time, something small begins to happen. One client turns into two, two turns into four. You aren't replacing your job, you're adding stability to your life. And eventually, your side hustle begins building its own momentum because skills grow the more they're used. Step four is where transformation happens: reinvesting. Not money, energy, confidence, curiosity, learning smarter tools, improving your offers, building better systems. When your results get better, your value increases, and so does your earning potential. And finally, step five: creating multiple streams. Once one skill becomes reliable, you add the next. Small, simple, sustainable. You're not chasing fast results. You're building long-term resilience. This strategy doesn't force you to quit your job or gamble your savings. It gives you a safe path to build a second source of opportunity, something millions of Americans rely on today. And if this inspired you even a little, subscribe. More empowering, life-changing stories are coming your way.